Modern construction often calls for tight windows to complete tiling projects. Traditional installation materials that typically include Portland cement-based substrate prep products, tile mortars, and grouts can require multiple days of applications and drying before an area can be reopened to traffic. MAPEI offers a full suite of rapid setting materials that can help fast track your project. Products like Mapecem Quickpatch, Planaslope RS, Planetop 330 Fast are great options to help with your substrate prep and without slowing down your schedule. Rapid setting tile mortars like Keraflex RS, Ultraflex LFT Rapid, and Granny Rapid all allow you to begin grouting your installation within a few hours. Ultracolor Plus FA and Ultracolor Plus Max are rapid setting cement grouts that can be opened to foot traffic within 3 hours. This means that with proper planning and timing, a space could be demoed, prepped, tile installed and grouted, and then reopened for traffic within 24 hours. How is this possible? Well, the overly simplified answer is that Portland cement is replaced with a rapid setting and curing cement, such as a calcium aluminate type of cement. So instead of taking about 24 hours to set and almost a month to properly cure, you will see setting and curing times that are a fraction of what Portland cement offers. Because of the rapid setting nature of these products, you do need to take some precautions, especially if you're working in warm or hot conditions. Make sure that the bags of material are kept cool along with the mixing water. If either of the material or the water is warm, it'll make the product set up much more quickly. So instead of taking about 24 hours to set and almost a month to properly cure, you will see setting and curing times that are a fraction of what Portland cement offers. Please call our product support department or visit our website for more information regarding our selection of rapid setting materials for your project.